Seeing a pending status on your PayPal account is a total headache when you just want your money. But I'm going to show you exactly how to clear that hold and the specific steps you need to take right now to get your funds moving. If you stay until the very end, I will share a pro tip on how to set up your account so you never have to deal with these automatic 21-day holds ever again, which is going to save you a massive amount of stress on every future sale you make. The reason PayPal does this isn't just to be annoying. They are basically acting like a digital bodyguard for the transaction. They put these holds in place to verify security, prevent fraud, and make sure everything is compliant with financial laws. If you have a new account or you haven't sold anything in a while, PayPal sees you as a bit of a mystery, so they hold the cash for up to 21 days just to make sure the buyer is actually getting what they paid for. It also happens if you suddenly sell something for a much higher price than usual, or if you are selling items that people frequently dispute. Sometimes the issue is on the other end, where the person you sent money to hasn't verified their account yet, or you sent it to an email address that isn't even registered with PayPal. Even the way you pay matters, because bank transfers and e-checks naturally take 3 to 5 days to clear the banking system before PayPal even sees the money. To fix this right now, you need to log into your PayPal account and head straight to your activity page. Find the transaction that says pending and click on it to see the specific details. If you are the seller, the fastest way to get your money is to ship the item immediately and upload the tracking information directly into the PayPal transaction details. Once the tracking shows the item is delivered, PayPal usually releases the funds much faster than the standard 3-week wait. If there is a message in your resolution center, you need to answer it right away to show you are a reliable human being. Now, if you are the one who sent the money and it is still pending, you should double check that you typed the recipient's email correctly. If they haven't claimed it because of a typo, you can actually click the cancel button in your activity feed to get your money back instantly. If you just leave it alone and nobody claims it, PayPal will eventually refund you, but that takes 30 long days. To make sure this never happens again, you need to go into your settings and fully verify your identity by linking a confirmed bank account and a credit card. This proves to the system that you are a legitimate user and significantly reduces the chances of them flagging your future payments for security reviews. Since you now know how to handle your balance, you should check out my guide on optimizing your PayPal business settings to lower your transaction fees and keep more of your hard-earned profit.